MLC Kavitha D'Souza's residence in Valencia, Mangaluru, was the site of an alleged attack on the night of August 21st. The incident followed D'Souza's recent controversial statement about a Bangladesh-type agitation in Karnataka to remove Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot.
Gehlot, you get out! ಅವರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅವರು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರನ್ನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಓಡಿ ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೋರಾಟ ಚಲೋ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್.
At approximately 11 p.m. while D'Souza was in Bengaluru for a meeting, two miscreants on a motorcycle reportedly pelted stones at his house. His wife Kavitha D'Souza, who was at home at the time, immediately contacted the police after hearing the noise. Upon arrival, officers discovered stones scattered on the property. CCTV footage captured two individuals on a motorcycle and two others on foot approaching the residence, throwing stones and then fleeing the scene. Fortunately, no injuries were reported and the property was not significantly damaged. The Pandeshwar Thana police are actively investigating the case and searching for the suspects involved.